Okay, so last time we created this method, create pause panel, for that we used to make our panel 1. Where is it? Yeah, right here. So we said jpanel P1, create pause panel, and I want to reuse that for the Y and Z buttons. So the goal here is to isolate as much as possible anything that's specific to the button stuff, so that we can so that when we change the buttons into sliders, it'll minimize the amount of stuff we have to worry about. Okay, so you want to simplify the change process as much as possible. So what we're doing is making a whole bunch of changes that have no impact on the behavior of the project, but it's going to make things much, much simpler when we eventually do make the change that we need to make, and hopefully it'll make any future changes we need to make easier too. Okay, and also give us more insight into how all this stuff is working. So if I want to reuse this method to create panel 2, should be pretty straightforward. So I'm going to do a copy, and then I'm going to say for P2 to create that, I want to use it's going to be that Y increment. It uses, it uses up and down icon. So it's going to be a down icon and an up icon. So actually, yeah, these are different, aren't they, for each set? The X, the Y, and the Z. I was thinking the last time that the X and the Y buttons were the same, but they aren't, are they? Because the Y ones are for up and down. So all those are different. We're creating a Y transformer. Okay. So we should be able to eliminate all of this and have the Y buttons work. So let's check that. I did a cut just in case, but I also have my backup version of the project in case too. So yeah, looks like that's working. It's doing everything it needs to do with the coordinates over here. Y negative and positive, and X still works, and Z still works. Z is still based on the old stuff. So let's do Z. And so that's P3. That's our Z increment. The icons there are in and out. In icon, out icon. Okay. And let's get rid of this. Run that. Oh, that's the wrong thing. That's rotation. Okay, but yeah, in and out works. Okay, so that works. There's one other thing. There was some stuff about adding listeners or something. Yeah. So we don't need to do this anymore, because we're adding the change listeners inside the inside of our method. We're doing the add change listener down here. So that, let's just make sure that works. Yeah. Our coordinates are changing and our guy is moving around. Hold up. Oh, these numbers look kind of funny though, don't they? X looks, oops. Yeah, X looks more or less right. Z looks kind of funny to me now that I look at it. Why does it say 2.6 there? I'm going to try reloading and see if it looks the same. And then the other thing I can do is look at my previous version. So let's see. So right now, oh, okay. So right now, it's showing 0, 0, 0, but it doesn't really look like it's at 0, 0, 0. Let me run the old version and see. Maybe that's just the way that it loads up. So I'm going to go in here. Ooh, you know, I just thought of something. I wonder if I'm even... I thought I was testing this guy, but I forgot to go in and customize here. Run. Set main project. Ah, I'm still on the old project. So I'm going to set it to 3 this time. So actually, oh yeah, so actually I was running the old one the last time. Oh, I'm clicking Z, but I'm moving Y. What happens here? Okay, Y is working right. X is working right. So I'm clicking Z, but I'm moving Y. Let's see what's going on there. Maybe I've neglected to change something here. Oh yeah, I put create Y transformer. That needs to be a Z transformer. Okay, so now I'm let's see. I set my main project. And oh, it's still customized the same way, so that should be okay. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So my numbers were looking funny to me before because this guy starts kind of, you know, this is the 0, 0, 0 position, but it doesn't, it looks like he's up above, so. But now it looks like everything's pretty cool. And we could test it out with other guys. And also, I could compare it with the very first version, which came from the book. So I know that one's right. If I say Loader 3D, this one. Let's see how I've got that one customized. I don't have it customized. Let's see. So that'll be Loader 3D, and I'll say house.wrl for that one and see if it looks the same. Yeah, looks the same. Okay, so it looks like at this point, let me just go back to version 3. So it looks like our new method is working fine, and we're ready for the next step.